In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently close a year in Xero. This is an essential task for business owners and accountants alike, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in and explore the steps required to perform this crucial task. First, make sure you're logged in. Then, direct your attention to the accounting section. This is where Xero keeps all your accounting data organized, encompassing everything from invoices to financial reports. You might notice a range of options here, but for the purpose of closing the year, we need to delve deeper into the settings. Look out for the Advanced button, which will be your next click. Now, you've reached a pivotal area of Xero where you can manage detailed settings that affect your accounting records. Once you're in the Advanced settings, you're looking for an option called Financial Settings. This is directly related to the financial year-end adjustments you're aiming to undertake today. Clicking on it will transport you to a new page where you can change the financial year-end, a crucial step for wrapping up your year in Xero. Changing the financial year-end is a straightforward process, yet an important one. It's essentially how you inform Xero that you're wrapping up the accounting year and getting everything ready for the next. This date should correspond to the last day of your financial year. Once you set the new financial year-end date, don't forget to save your changes. By doing so, you finalize the process, ensuring your accounting records will now reflect the new financial year. At this point, you may be curious about setting a financial year-end date or if there are specific best practices to follow. While it's relatively simple, it's vital to align this date with your business's operational cycle and any regulatory requirements that might be specific to your industry or jurisdiction. Moreover, this is an excellent time to review your financial records for the closing year, ensuring that all transactions are accurately recorded and accounted for. Remember, updating the financial year-end in Xero doesn't automatically close your accounts for the year. Instead, it prepares the system for the upcoming financial year. You may still need to finalize year-end adjustments like depreciating assets, accounting for inventory differences, or recognizing any prepayments or accruals. Closing a financial year is an essential task that demands careful attention to detail. By following the steps we've outlined today, you've efficiently prepared your Xero account for the new financial year, ensuring a smooth transition and accurate financial reporting. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has helped demystify the process of closing a year in Xero. Keep in mind that maintaining accurate financial records throughout the year significantly simplifies this process. So, here's to a seamless year in closing and a prosperous new financial year ahead.